Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, open Task Manager from the search bar, then click on Run New Task, select Browse button. Now open this PC and then C drive, then open Windows folder and then open System32 folder. Now we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just select it and click on Open. Now check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window with administrative privileges. Now we need to execute some commands here. Type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Now type in sfc space /scannow and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, type in dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete the process. Wait for it, then execute this command. Type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, move to the next command. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and hit enter. Then execute this command chkdsk/f/r and hit enter. Then type y and hit enter. Now type in msconfig and hit enter. It will open system configuration window. Then we need to select normal startup, or you can select to startup. Then click on apply and then OK. Now type this command. Type chkdsk space/scan and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. Again, go to search bar, type in cmd and right click here and select run as administrator. Now we need to execute this command icacls space c:/windows/winsxs and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close this command prompt window and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.